Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Okay, so Nifty was sideways today as expected, and but unfortunately what happened, it did come here to our level where I did not enter it for some reason, because this was the first time it is coming to this resistance point. That is why I did not buy it. If one more time if it comes, I will be looking forward to buy it, but for as of now I'm expecting market to be sideways. I'm expecting market to be sideways because we had a good rally. We had a very good rally, so market can be sideways. It has to get exhausted, it has to form some kind of pattern, and only then we can expect an up momentum, or we have to see a W pattern. So what about my trades for tomorrow is the question. So let's see what my plans are. If market anywhere closes strongly above 22,080 or something, I'll be definitely looking forward to buy it, but with a very small quantity, because this is the third time it is coming to that level. That is the only reason. Getting out on the first trial or the second trial is not something which you're supposed to do. If you know how support and resistance work, you're not supposed to enter immediately after the first time or the second time the support or the resistance is broken. So if it's the third time or the fourth time, that means it is weakened. So we are looking forward to buy it after after a third touch. Okay, let's see how the market works. So tomorrow's level will be like 22,085 and above. If it closes, I'll be buying on a small quantity. Selling, I'm definitely not looking forward to selling, because this is a very crucial level, that is 21,970, 21,980 is a very crucial level. It has to get broken, only then we'll be looking forward to sell it. Until then I'm not looking forward to sell anything. Okay, next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, it hit my trailing stop loss here today, which was actually good. I was expecting it to go, because from morning it had a very indecisive candle here, then it started struggling to going out. But here it did face a resistance, as we discussed already. There's a very good resistance level which faced resistance and it came down. Okay, my stop loss went intact at 48,000 and 15 rupees. What happened, it hit it and then it started going sideways. So tomorrow my action on Bank Nifty will be, I'm going to hold and wait and watch what is it going to do. I'm not going to enter any trades on Bank Nifty tomorrow, because few levels are crucial even in this. It has to breach this level, which is a very crucial level for Bank Nifty, that is 48,015. 48,015 is a very crucial level. It has to break this. Only after that I'm looking forward to sell. Not aggressively, only on a small quantity, or I'm expecting it to be sideways for tomorrow. Okay, next is US oil. US oil, we captured this exactly 1:7.5 trade, which is really great. We entered yesterday and we were holding it. Today it gave exactly today at 1830, that is 630 something. It gave me a very good risk to reward ratio, and I exited it at 1:7. To be precise, this is where I exited. 1:7 is where I exited, and I'm not looking forward for any trade for now, because this was the bottom, and it is taking a good resistance from this 4-hour time frame. Okay, this is a 4-hour and 1-hour time frame trend line. It is taking a good resistance from that. Next, I'll be looking forward to enter only if this line is breached, or if it takes support from this trend line. Okay, till then I don't have any trades. And next is gold. These are the current levels. So if you guys see, this is a trend line in gold. This is being respected properly. See, this is a trend line, is being respected properly. Market has taken a rejection from here, but if it crosses 20, that is 2030 and below, I'll be looking forward to sell it, and I'll be selling only in a small quantity, because we have immediate support on 20, that is 2015. Aggressively I'll be selling it only post 2012, and I'll be holding it till 1978. Okay, so that's it for gold. We have 4 stocks for swing trading. First is Punjab National Bank. Punjab National Bank looks very good to me, because this is a pole and this is a flag, and flag has been broken. Now it's consolidating here. So tomorrow if I get a price of 97 rupees to 99 rupees anywhere, I will be definitely buying it, and my stop loss will be at 95 rupees. Okay, next is IDFC. IDFC on a daily time frame, this is a good support which has been touched 4 times. Now resistance been retested. Okay, it has broken. It has to break this level. This will be the safe buy. Okay, 129 rupees or 127 rupee. Risky people can definitely enter at 127 rupees. That is, I'll be entering at 127 to 128 rupees, and I'll be holding it. My stop loss will be at 125 rupees or 24. Okay, next is Pidilite. Pidilite is giving a good breakout in weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, this is a very good resistance zone. It has given a breakout and it is trying to survive here. If one or two candles survives here, I will be definitely looking forward to buy. That is, if I get a price of above 2805 or 2810, I will be buying it, and my stop loss will be at 2766 or 2765. Next is Quick Heal. Quick Heal Technologies is giving a breakout on a weekly time frame again. It has tested twice. This is the second time it's testing, but it has breached already. So this is a good price to buy according to me, 420 rupees or 460 rupees, but this candle doesn't look so bullish. So if tomorrow market closes anywhere near 422 or 423, I will be buying it, and my stop loss will be at 377. Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got something to learn in this video. This is just my view on the market, how I'm going to trade it. This is not a call or a tip. You can just use this as a references. I hope you guys like my content. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Your support will help me to grow. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.